I think for most people, it's pretty common to have our browser windows filled with multiple tabs, and as the day goes on, it can start to get difficult to find the tabs we need to work with at any given time. Google Chrome now has a feature that allows you to group your tabs together into categories that make sense to you. So for example, 3 of my open tabs in this window right now are for Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And I often post content to them at the same time. So here in Chrome, I'm going to right-click on one of them and choose Add Tab to New Group. I'll give the group a name. I'll call it Social. I can pick a color for it. And there it is. And now I just have to right-click the other tabs that I want to add to the group and choose Add Tab to Group. And notice we now have this menu where I can select my new social group. And I'll do the same thing here with Facebook. Similarly, I can create a tab for my work-related tabs. I'll right-click on the Excel tab, create a new group. I'll call this Work. Maybe I'll make it blue. And I'll also add my Outlook tab to that. And maybe also this article on Wikipedia that I was researching. So what I have now are these collapsible tab groups. If I just click the group name, they just collapse, leaving me with fewer tabs cluttering up my browser window. Now there are also options if you right-click on the group name. Here we can create a new blank tab in that group. We can ungroup all the tabs. We can close the group, meaning all the tabs in that group will be closed. And we can even move all the tabs in a group into their own window. So it's a great way to stay organized and to efficiently manage your tabs. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that tab groups aren't savable. So if you close the window containing the groups won't be saved in any way. Tab groups are only available while the window containing that group is open. But if you're like me and you often have a dozen or more tabs open at once, you'll find tab groups extremely useful.